In a previous video, I demonstrated how to clean the jets in a hot tub when the hot tub is empty before you refill it. Now I'm going to show you that this technique also works in hot tubs that are full of water, so you can do it at any time, even when it's full of water. And the method is the same. You have to use a faucet nozzle or water gun that has a pretty narrow stream and a full flow that you can get into the edge and also in the face of the jet. And now these are small jets I'm demonstrating on. I'll show you the bigger jet in a minute. So this jet is jammed and will not rotate. So even if you try to turn it hard, it's completely stuck. And this method has worked on any jet that I've tried it on, completely stuck, where it won't turn. And so let's give it a go here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the nozzle on the inside of the jet, and the goal is here to push water out through the edges of the jet. So here you can see it's pushing out water. And so once it's started a little bit, then you should be able to start rotating it a little bit back and forth. And then you just keep rotating it back and forth a little bit more until it starts to free up more, and you can spin it pretty freely, or more freely than it was before. And you can also go around the outside. So you can do either one of those first. I like to start with the inside first. Just go around the outside and rotate it as you're spraying water around the outside of the jet. And when you're around the outside, you point the jet of the water at the edge of the jet, where the jet meets the spa body, to the point where this just freely rotates and is easily adjustable. Right now it's completely freed up. There you go. That works on small jets or big jets. Now this one's freed up. Now I'm going to show a larger jet. Here we have a larger jet near the bottom of the hot tub, and this jet is not that as big as the jets on some hot tubs, but the technique for this is to start mainly around the edges and work your way around the edges. So I'm going to start spraying the water along the edges of the jet and start to wiggle it to free it up. And once you can wiggle a little bit, just keep wiggling it back and forth, then wiggle more and more until it starts to free up more. And you can also go here on the inside of the jet here. So we're not pointing into the housing, although that helps dislodge stuff that's inside the actual channel. But if you go around here on the outside, it helps free this up, free the rotation of this up, because there's some kind of bearing there. So you can free up the pulsating massager. And then you can also just spray around, and it should really start to free this up where it's completely loose and just free and easy to turn. This jet was jammed hard before. I couldn't rotate it with my hands at all. Now it's completely free. Now you can just rotate it with your pinky, no problem.